How does my hair look?
Fine, I'm recording. Little Boo! Hank!
I think it's cold.
Hanky! Hanky!
We need Mommy to make the splashes, huh? Blow in his face and then go down?
Blow in his face and then go down.
Maybe I should show him.
You have to paint him. Oh!
He's looking like, oh no.
Oh no. Oh no, what's Daddy gonna do?
I think they said it's a natural instinct to not breathe or to hold his breath.
Blow in his face. Yay!
Clever now.
Good.
He seems cool with it.
That was perfect. Good work, Boo. Good work.
The top of his head isn't even wet, Bean.
Okay, we'll go under. You ready? We're gonna go under.
Face him this way.
Ready?
Blow on his face. Woo! Aww.
Oh, that was. Ready? One, two, three. He's got it.
Wow, he's a natural. Good job, Little Boo.